lots and lots of cottage pie. I'm starting with whizzed up carrots and whizzed up onions. We're going to need some liquid, hot water, beef stock cubes, bovril if you can get that in your country, things like mushroom ketchup, Worcester sauce, anything that's going to give oomph to the liquid. So this is the carrot and onion being sweated off. I don't want them to turn brown. I do want to soften them. And then I'm going to make, steam again. I'm going to make way for the meat. Now I'm browning off the meat. It's quite hard for you to see. You keep going till there's no pink bits. This is mince. And what makes this cottage pie and not shepherd's pie is that it's beef mince. And guess what shepherd's pie is? Lamb mince. Flour in next. Then I'll add back the cooked onion and carrot and some salt and pepper and even some ketchup. This is coming together. Whether you can see, tinned tomatoes as well. It'll all add to the flavour. And some beefy liquid. And it'll all stir in, and I'll just keep making more as required. This is going to cook and cook until it's as tender as can be. But it can't be runny because cottage pie has mashed potato balanced on the top of it and it'll sink. Anyway, we're at that task and Roger has gone ahead and prepared the potatoes. Thank you, Roger. We're at the potato stage and we'll make it look a bit pretty shortly. And we've prepared a lot. We've got mince coming out of our ears, but that's good. Oh, it'll be lovely once it's been in the oven again, just before. What you doing? What you doing, Roger? You're writing your name on it. That is not for you. You can take that R off this instant. I'm glad to say he's got clean washed hands, but no Roger on that. Anyway, it's going to be cooked just before serving. A little go toasty. A cottage pie, there we are, delicious, ready to go out. This is for guests who won't eat dairy, so we've made their mush without any butter or cream. There's one of the bigger dishes, lovely.